These are double layer chocolate chip cookies stuffed with the mini eggs. 2 cups of flour. Pinch of salt. Pinch of baking soda. 1.5 cups of brown sugar. 1 egg. One egg yolk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 3/4 cup melted butter, 1/2 cup roasted almonds, your favorite milk chocolate chips. We don't measure. Needs more. There we go. All right, stir it up. Oops! Start it off on low speed. Stuffed cookies. Don't those smell delicious? So this one's a very easy recipe. What I've done today with these chocolate chip cookies, I've added in crushed roasted almonds, which I think add a great flavor to this. You can use pecans or walnuts as well, but today I decided to use roasted almonds. And you can also see I've added in those nice mini eggs. I have an addiction to them, unfortunately. I've used a lot. These are double layer chocolate chip cookies stuffed with the mini eggs. These are just single layer chocolate chip cookies with 1 mini egg right in the center. The best part is I'm going to a party and this is what I'm bringing. So I'm going to be packing these up in just a moment and taking them with me. But first, I think I owe it to you, the viewer, everybody at home, to give these a try. They're still going to be so warm and hot, but we'll do it anyway. It's going to be hot. Nice bottom. Boom! They're so hot, but they're so delicious. Double layer chocolate chip cookie stuffed with mini eggs. It's hot. It's hot, but it's great. Oh my gosh. Uncle Drew's Kitchen. Boom! Warm those little guys, but individual wrapping.